This product from Aliexpress is pretty awesome. And take a look. And what is it? The model is YSLT21 Bluetooth Digital Amplifier Board, Module 2.1 Stereo Dual Channel, 15 watts plus 15 watts plus 30 watts with high and low tone support and application. From AliExpress, cost around $10 US. The link will be in description below so you can check it. And it's a DIY kit audio amplifier. I love it, and that's why I ordered it, and of course I got it. No bubbles. Sorry guys. The box is undamaged. As I told you, it comes like a DIY kit. Whoa! Bubbles! Oh, inside bubbles. Ooh. Nice, nice. This is the main unit. Also, these parts need to be assembled. You will get a small screwdriver, and in this package, small screws and the front and back panel. Looking nice. Alright. Okay. Let's see what it says in description. Support YS Audio app. Name 2.1 15 watts times 2 plus 30 watts Bluetooth audio power amplifier. It works with power supply from 9 to 24 volts, 3 amperes, cannot be connected to AC voltage. Remember that. Bluetooth version 5.1. Audio input Bluetooth plus AUX plus USB sound card. Oh! It can act like a sound card, or is there a different model? I need to check that. Speaker adapter 10 to 15 to 50 watts, 4 to 8 ohms. The product weight 66 grams. The dimensions are 76 by 60 by 22 millimeters. And if you are driving 4 ohm speaker, the power supply cannot exceed 12 volts. Remember that. You can download the app for the Android and for the iPhone. Alright. So let me explain. We have from behind the connectors for the left, right and subwoofer speaker. Also we have 3.5 millimeters for aux cable, DC power jack, and at front we have the potentiometer for volume. Also it have a push button, and we have a potentiometer for adjusting the subwoofer, and also we have a USB port for plugging a memory for playing songs or interfacing with the computer. Bluetooth version. Now I'm gonna assemble everything. Wow! And you know that I hate stickers because they are leaving adhesive. Oh, nice. And before placing the top cover, you need to attach the heatsink. It have a self-adhesive piece on that, and it will go on these two integrated chips. Make sure to be centered. Okay, is that nice? And press it real good. Okay, nice. Now I'm gonna add the top. I'm almost done. Just to place the knobs. Okay. And this one. Beautiful. And take a look how it turned out. What do you think? Please comment below. Isn't that amazing product or amplifier? And on the bottom plate it says which model it is, voltage DC 9 to 24 volts, current 3 amperes, Bluetooth 5.1, channel 2.1, ref and light and left, subwoofer, speaker 4 to 8 ohms, 10 to 50 watts. Oh, beautiful. Shiny. Alright, time for testing. I'm gonna use these Sony SSL50 speakers just to connect everything, and you're gonna hear it. I connect the left and right speaker, and I'm gonna use 19 volts power supply. It's an old laptop power adapter that gives 19 volt, and it's perfect for this audio amplifier. Power on in 3, 2, 1. Okay. We have a blue light, and I hear the sound. And yes, it's connected to my smartphone. I'm gonna play some music now. Whoa! Wow! The sound is, I can't describe it, very powerful. Play the music now and you can hear it, and please comment below what do you think about the sound. Just hear it. Now it's at 70%, and I'm gonna go to the maximum. Wow! Sorry about the bad selection of the songs, but what I can do, I need to use YouTube library, so I will not get a copyright strike and hear it, this song. From the volume knob you can control pause and play, and also the volume you can control with one press. Take a look. Nice. This is awesome, and I like the sound. You can see now that the wires from the right speaker is connected to the subwoofer connector. Let's hear it. This amplifier is great, 15 watts, times 2 plus 30 watts for the subwoofer. It have a Bluetooth, it have a aux input, and I tried to connect with my PC computer, but I fail. I will make another video where I will explain how it works, because in description for this product it says that can interface with the computer to act like a sound card, or I don't know, but okay, I love it. The link will be in description below so you can check it. I hope you like this product that I show in today's video, because it's awesome and good looking amplifier. Okay, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya tomorrow with new video. Every day new video.